Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today we're diving into some electrifying tech updates. Humanoid robots are stepping out of science fiction and into reality. With Tesla and Hyundai leading the charge and China investing heavily, the race to mass produce humanoids is on. Elon Musk's Optimus is evolving fast, performing complex tasks like folding laundry and even dancing, all autonomously. It's not a question of if robots will join the workforce, but how soon? In agriculture, ground control robotics is revolutionizing farming with giant robotic centipedes, while a new soft robot inspired by octopus limbs is transforming fields like agriculture and medical devices. Over in China, AI powered humanoid robots are rapidly integrating into manufacturing, boosting productivity amid demographic challenges. Now, let's talk about Start Engine. They're offering accredited investors a chance to invest in top private companies like OpenAI and Databricks. With record revenues and a growing investor base, the window to join their latest funding round is closing soon. For gadget enthusiasts, May 2025 has been a treat. From Sony's upgraded noise-canceling headphones to a modern boombox with vintage flair, the latest releases blend cutting-edge tech with sleek design, offering enhanced audio experiences. And before we wrap up, if you're curious about building and selling AI agents or writing an onboarding FAQ for new hires, we've got you covered. Thanks for tuning in, and until tomorrow, keep boosting your AI game with Hanuman AI.